guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am LexMR2 and this is Chris White 353.
Oh, sick.
And this is a really busy weekend for us because we are like helping to renovate a house and showing you guys our new garage space, which is super exciting. But right now we're taking curtains down, well, attempting to, and these have been up here for like
30 years.
30 years plus. So yeah. So first mission of the day is ripping up some carpet which has been stuffed with newspaper from like 1997. So we've got some masking tape, we've got some gloves, and we're gonna like cut it and roll it into small bits. But yeah.
This looks fun.
Yeah, this looks fun. I know this isn't the normal type of content that we do, but we thought we would share an insight into our lives right now because it's getting winter, there's not that much car shows, like we haven't got a lot going on, and I know a lot of you guys are interested in what we do when we are not doing car influencing. So this is what we're doing with the marigolds on. There are some weird things in these newspapers. That's crazy. Oh, PC World? Is that Curry's?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no way.
That's original. That's before Curry's was Curry's. That bracket bit came off.
This is actually making me cry. Honda NSX. Choice from, there's like 15k, or you can have one for 11k. That makes me want to cry. That's sick. And then we've got like all the Lotuses, all the left-hand drive vehicles, the Lamborghini Countach. That's sick. There's literally so many on here. That makes me want to cry. All the LS400s as well, all along like here. They're actually still quite expensive. They're more expensive than what they are now, to be fair. We're gonna frame this because one day we will own VTEC. I'll have my Prelude, you'll have your Accord. Like, we'll be vibing. So we're gonna actually frame this because I think this is so sick and it's a solid find out of all of this. So let's see what else we can find. Hello. Hi. So this is the back of the garage, and then we go through this little orchard, and here we are. So we're gonna have a couple of ramps in here, probably get some doors on there as well, and yeah, nice big space. Yeah, bird's nest removal is needed desperately, and our friendly neighbours. Hello. Hello.
Barney's the more of the bully.
Hi, Barney. We got some cool finds in here.
Someone set fire to
And there's a
something.
pair of glasses for some reason.
Traffic
Is that full,
cones.
that drum?
Maybe.
No.
Are you sure? Yeah.
A big space. It needs some work, but it is a massive space to work with. That is us done for the day because it's Sunday and we haven't spent any time together, and we've had a lot on and we're tired. So we're gonna go home and make some of this Supra GT model that we got, which we do on live stream for you guys, so you can watch us live trying to put it together, watch me get frustrated and be done with it. But yeah, we're gonna do some of that, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do. So we are on our way down to Oxford right now in Storm Amy to do some welding in the middle of like a hurricane. So that's gonna be fun. So his brother has just passed his test, so we need to weld his car because it's got MOT like next week. So luckily we've packed up the welder in the back because luckily your car also failed MOT and we learned to weld. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the rain. This afternoon after we're finished doing the welding on Kyle's car van thing. I don't know. I'll show you guys.
It identifies as a van.
I'll show you guys what it is, and you decide, is it a car or is it a van? But yeah, we're trying to get fiberglass and there's literally traffic everywhere. We're gonna go to this little, like, it's called like Not Just Auto Parts, is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's like
Something
a little auto parts and everything store.
And yeah, we're hopefully gonna get some resin. If not, we'll have to go to Halfords over in Aylesbury. But yeah, fingers crossed we find it and we will give you guys a nice little bumper update. So we have just picked up another fiberglass kit because we weren't very prepared this time and didn't buy it in bulk off Amazon, so we need to do that. But anyway, we are going to go start welding now because it is already midday and it's going to take Chris, he thinks, about 2 hours. So yeah, we need to get home and start welding. So this is the car van in question.
It's a van.
And we've done a little bit of rust repair there, which you can see.
You can't see it.
This is what we're going to be sorting out today.
Oh no. Oh fuck.
So this is the amount of rust we have so far and there is still more to go. And honestly we're unsure if there's any good metal to weld to right now.
I think there will be, just how far we've got to go. I think what we're going to have to do is weld from this central metal piece, hopefully a bit of the inside sill welds, and then this is all going to have to be stripped back, and then I think I'm going to have to go from, I mean there's a lot of good metal somewhere here, it just needs stripping back.
So Chris has just stenciled out the big hole in the car that needs welding. So I'm just gonna cut it out now and then we will use it as a template to cut the metal out. After giving us both severe tinnitus, we have now got...
Tinnitus?
Tinnitus is so American. No, it's tinnitus.
Okay, sure. Anyway. We reveal the mirror because we're welding a mirror to the bottom of the car, as some people in my last comment section decided to point out. This is not a mirror, this is a high grade of stainless that is coated specifically to not rust, or it's implemented to not rust. So no, it is not a mirror, for those who thought it was.
Okay.
Yeah, I just need to trim off this and then yes, it will fit.
So fire extinguisher is on deck and where we're welding is just sort of where this door card is here, but these are all bolted in, so I'm just going to look out for fires. We're not going to tell Kyle about the fires if there is any. Oh, Chris is just straight going for it. I didn't know you started yet.
I was testing the grounding point.
Oh, okay, is it good?
Good grounding point.
Okay. Right, I'm on fire patrol. If I see you on fire, do I leave you or do I put this on you?
No, you spray me with that. You very much spray me with that. And then I instantly jump in the shower.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Right. I've got, well, before I start welding, I've turned the welder off, masks off. I've just got to put the metal where it needs to be first. And then it's going to be a test weld to see if it'll weld onto the metal.
So last time we did this on Chris's MR2, there was like a little bit of fire and a little bit of flames coming up through the carpet. So hopefully this won't happen on this one because I don't really know what to do if it does. And it's just started to rain because British weather. So that's fun. I don't know if you're meant to weld in the rain or if that's okay to do so with the welder. Inside of Carl's doors getting soaked. Yeah. So seeing as this isn't our car, van, I don't know, we are going to take this interior bit out just to be on the safe side because Carl is literally his fastest test and we don't want anything to happen to the car. Getting this door card out is going to be really fun. Yeah, that's through the inside. Okay. It's coming up through like these bits, which is really strange.
Yeah, through the inner skin.
Coming out of there. Sick.
I don't even know if there's enough tools to do this.
So you can take this trim out here and it just like folds forward. There's this trim here which you can take out. Oh dear. So we're just taking these screws out now, or like bolts, to take this tray thing out. Yeah, I'll just, how do you pull the chair forward? Oh, that fixed, hold on. Oh, let me go the other side. So no. We have just taken the little tray thing out, and there was a big chunk of foam just sitting down here which we didn't want to catch on fire, but the main like smoke is coming through the seatbelt holder, so we need to sort of get this trim out, and then I can look down here to see if there is anything. Struggling 101. Oh, there we go. So yeah, just this bottom bit, because it's just coming up through there. So if we can just pry, it's pop clips. Like Japanese cars. I love a good pop clip. There's not one, there's two, there's three, there's four. Absolutely just demolished the back of this van. Oh, okay. Oh, so taking all of this out. It needs a good clean anyway, so we'll give it a wipe down at the same time.
Right, Lex, there you go.
Okay. That is disgusting.
Yeah.
It's actually manky. And there's a lot of foam in there, like big foam chunks, which we don't want to catch on fire. So, yeah. So door card is off. We're just chilling in the back of the van.
Chilling.
So
this is what we almost set fire to.
Yep, sick one. But yeah, because this is where Chris has started welding, you can just see down there.
Oh, and this is saturated. Yeah.
Oh god.
So this foam is caused, that's what's caused the rot.
We are leaving this bit of foam on just because it's like a buffer for this.
And I would
bracket.
suggest Kyle probably goes on the inside of this and dremels it at some point.
Yeah. Okay. But that's not a right now problem. Right now is sorting this out. But yeah, it was coming up through this hole here and then showing up through here, which was a little bit scary, but it's fine. Got the fire extinguisher on deck just in case. Okay, hold it. So we have just run out of welding wire, which is really convenient for us. So we are going to Halfords now. We are also going to the garage to get some bonding. We are not like bonding it, or like, what is it got? Bonding yeah, whatever. We're not actually doing that to the car, it's just to like give it a final seal over and a few other bits. So yeah, we're gonna grab that really quick, and then we will be doing the bumper tonight, hopefully, fingers crossed. It's gonna be a late night because we've got a 2-hour drive home as well, but yes, we're all good to go. Okay, quickly grab the bondant, I think.
Here. We used it last time, didn't we?
That one, yeah. Have we got the hardener with it? It comes in like a little tube. There we go.
Is that the hardener that came with this one?
Scraper.
And a bit of cardboard to do it on.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. See you later, ML2. We have just tried to unlock the car again, and we cannot get this boot open. And we were just sat here for like 5 minutes and we were like, we can't do it. It's not working. The battery is disconnected.
Right, do you want to try the button now?
Okay, yeah. Let me try and open the boot, right. Oh, no. How'd you do it?
Hold it down, eh? Anything?
No.
Hang on, let me touch the terminal properly.
So after a mad dash to the tool station, we have wire. We've refilled the welder now, and Chris is going to go from the inside again because you can still see there's a little bit of holes in there. And then we have got some bondant as well, just to do some like sealing as well.
Not to suction it to the thing and do dodgy stuff.
Don't get confused, not to actually like do anything dodgy, but just to like seal it over, so it's fine.
Nothing
I
dodgy
need to be on fire patrol, so I need my fire extinguisher. Oof! Mask, baby. PPE, honey. I'm on fire patrol.
Bulb tests. I just need to seal it a little bit more, but I mean, she's solid.
Good.
I just need to seal it a little more.
Okay.
The cap's broken on here, which kind of sucks, but this is zinc primer to primer the inside of the thingy, inside of the metals, the inside of the inside.
There's still holes in the floor.
There's two little areas that wouldn't adhere together, but they're clean metal. Just ignore. Now we have some Raptor paint to underseal everything that we've just done.
We're gonna do
underseal and inside seal.
Yeah, inside seal as well. So we're gonna do it on the inside and on the outside to double protect it.
Yeah.
So Chris has just got the paint on there and the Raptor seal all underneath it, so it all looks good now. And now is the challenge of
Can I have a drain plug, please?
putting this interior back in. Yes, drain plug. There you go. Yeah, so interior needs to go back together somehow. I don't even know where to start, and we need to get the foam out of that side yet. Right, door card has just been put on, and now this needs to go on, but it has to like go up in there first, and then it's got like a billion clips down here. Ford, what are you doing? Because this has a lot of top clips. This is more than Japanese cars, so like, what is going on here?
Is that up?
Not all the way.
Right, basically it is. Right, this then lines up here, which has to go under the seal.
Okay.
And this goes up.
So door card is finally back on, seat belt is back on now, and now it's just the little trays that hook onto here and here, that go basically just across the back. Right, little back thing is in now. Yeah, we are done with the welding, thank God. We are just putting this back in and then we are done, and we will see you guys at the garage. We made it to the garage. It's like 7:30. Bumper update for you guys. Last time we did the fiberglassing, and yeah, that seems to have stuck down, honestly. Ow, that hurt.
What did you do? Cut yourself?
No, just poked my hand with fiberglass.
Oh, great.
Ouch. Yeah, it's solid. So Chris has filled in all of this, and he's just filling in this side bit. So we're just going to fiberglass over the holes that were already there and just drill our own, because MR2 body kits are a nightmare and they don't fit your car even though they're meant to fit your car. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, we're just going to start from fresh. I think that's the best way to do so. And then we can sand it all back down when we do the rest of the bumper. It is like gone 8 now, so we are going to have to cut it pretty short and go and get some food, and then we have a 2-hour drive home, so it's probably going to be 10:30 if not 11 by the time we actually get home. So yeah, busy like couple days, weekend. It's just been mental, and it's not looking like it's going to slow down anytime soon. Right, bumper completed for now. It is what it is. We're going to go get some lunch. My dearly beloved would like KFC, even though he is celiac. So it's going to be a great night for me. But yeah, let's go get some lunch. So Chris is having 5 mini fillet burgers and an Oreo shake. I've got my food here. We've got chicken as well. Right, we've had food. We have a 2-hour journey ahead of us to get back home. The car is over there. I'm so ready to get into bed, you have no idea right now. It's just been the busiest time. We've got some KFC to take with us and chocolate milkshake, and I'm lactose intolerant.
Milkshake's almost done.
But yeah, all good to go, and yeah, we'll update you guys on the journey.